Introducing the Iceland poppy class. One of my absolute favourite flowers, I love the Iceland poppy's organic undulating form and crinkly petals. They are very simple to make and come in an array of colours from whites and creams to pretty pastels and vibrant pinks and oranges. As with all of my online classes, each stage of the process is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step videos. From making your own flower paste, forming the pistil and stamen, creating the realistic crinkly petals, and assembling and dusting for a realistic finish. I've also included PDF cheat sheets and guides with links to the tools that I use, and you now have access to a class community where you can ask me any questions, connect with other students, or just share your beautiful creations. The class is also accessible from the Zenler app, so you can now access all of my classes and community from your mobile or tablet.